All right, good morning again. I just want to show you some things you can do during the time you're working on your workbook problems. So the directions are to draw and label the coins from the greatest value to the least, and then find the total. And don't forget to use the cent sign. And just so we all remember, it's like a C with a line through it. Okay, the cent sign. All right, so when you come to do this, one of the things that might really help you is if you put an N on the nickels, a P on the pennies, and a Q on the quarters. And then obviously if you see a dime, this problem doesn't have one, but if you have a dime, put a D. It might help you just kind of keep track of them. And then when you draw, because remember it's draw and label the coins, you'll start with the quarters first. So there's 1 quarter, so I'll draw 1 quarter. And don't worry about the size of them, but make them big enough that you can write 25 in the middle. And if you want to use the cent sign, it's a little bit crowded, 25 cents. So I did that one. I like to cross it off so I keep track. There's no dimes, so my next one will be 2 nickels. So again, I'm not worried about the size too much. They're smaller than a quarter, but that might be a little bit hard to do. So these are 5 cents. The nickels are all worth 5 cents. And I do like to make sure I don't miss anything, so I'm going to cross them off. And then there's 2 pennies. 1 cent. Whoa, a little bit big. That's okay. 1 cent. So I drew them. They have their value labels in there, and then underneath, I'll do our running total like we've been doing. So 25 plus 5 is 30, plus 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36, plus 1 is 37. So the total is 37. And don't forget, this is where it's really important to put the label. Cents. Okay, so that's how you'll do it. So I did a couple extra steps just to help me keep track. I labeled the coins over here by what they are. Make sure I knew that I could tell the difference between the dime, the penny, the nickel, and the quarter. Then I drew them. I labeled them with how much each coin was worth. And then I did a running total to help me find what the total value was. And then I didn't forget to write the cent sign. Don't forget the cent sign. All right, good luck today. This is a fun assignment today. How do I stop the video? That's always a little tricky. There it is. And stop.